If you've ever tried making money online but failed, you are not alone. Most people get stuck chasing low commissions. They struggle to build a team. Duplication feels impossible. They never get paid fast enough. Weeks or even months go by waiting for commissions. That's exactly why Simple Freedom Warriors is different. Instant commissions, 50% paid directly to your payment processor. If you have Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dodge, Zelle, etc., whatever you want, we got you. Built-in duplication so your team gets traded automatically. A proven system that delivers results. Real mentorship, real training, real financial freedom. Welcome to Simple Freedom Warriors, Justin Temple. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. How to potentially get your first SFW sale in 24 hours or less. Let me tell you something that most people won't. If you're trying to make money online without the right mentor, you're already 10 times behind the competition. Here's the brutal reality. Most gurus gatekeep the real strategies, keeping the best money-making methods for themselves. They share surface-level tips while secretly using advanced tactics to dominate the market. They sell information that should be freely available, forcing you to pay up to thousands just to learn what actually works. But a real mentor does the opposite. They give you everything, the exact blueprint, strategies, insider methods they use. They want you to win because when you succeed, the system grows. They don't waste your time with fluff. They focus on actionable, proven results. This is what separates failing affiliates from top earners. With Simple Freedom Warriors and Justin Temple, you get a mentor that actually wants you to succeed, sharing the step-by-step tactics, SEO strategies, team-building hacks, and high-converting funnels that generate real income. And when you have the right mentor, making money online begins 10 times easier. Don't settle for gatekeeping gurus. Get a mentor who actually shares everything. And I'll get into you in just a moment why I needed to find the right system and the right mentor to change my life and my situation about 6 months ago. And I found them about 6 to 8 weeks ago. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend a product or service, and when someone signs up using your link, you get paid. It's the most lucrative online business model if you have the right training and mentorship. You pick a low-paying programs. Most people fail because they pick low-paying programs that don't scale. Rely on one-time sales instead of creating duplication. Don't understand SEO, traffic, and conversions. That's where Simple Freedom Warriors changes everything. Now, how Simple Freedom Warriors pays you instantly. How to potentially get your first SFW sale in 24 hours or less. But first, who am I and why should you listen to me? Well, first of all, I'm JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka Yo Friendly Neighborhood Solid Man, and I've been in the make money online industry for about 12 to 13 years ago. But about 6 months ago, my life completely changed and got turned upside down. And yeah, this is not the French Prince of Bel-Air, but it really happened. This is written from my son's point of view. And my wife had an accident. She got hit by a car right in front of me on her way from work. I was on the way. I just had started my shift. The accident left her with severe injuries, including fractures in her neck, C2, C6, and C7, a broken femur in her right leg, broken tibia and fibula in her left leg, and a subdermal hematoma with a blood clot in her brain. And as you can see, starting a GoFundMe doesn't work either. $445 raised in 10 donations. And thank you for those who donated and shared her story and reached out to her and, helped and called her, etc. Now, obviously our job also raised some money too, and that helped. Everything helps. But I realized right then that I need something else. Some real mentor, a real person that would help me, and a real system and instant pay, residuals, all of that. But I needed the right training and the right mentor. Now this system works. I personally got 7 signups in the last 10 days, and that's how this looks. Okay, congratulations, you earned a $50 Spark Matrix Cycle commission. You've also unlocked a new Spark training module and another Matrix position, which will be processed shortly. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different sales, okay, and a 7th sale on the new cycle. But look at this. I'm helping my team because Cheryl, Hannah, and Bobby Nation. Now remember those names, okay? Cheryl, Hannah, 2 people from John Solly. Bobby Nation, 2 people from John Sully. Okay? And the smart person will see right here, there's another board with Brett Langston, and realize they will get 2 people right here from this open position right here, as will Brett Langston. Okay? Spark is AI, and it's on fire right now, and you can get started for $25. But this isn't about Spark. It's about the fact that it's a system that works. My videos are ranking on YouTube, and if you stay consistent, you follow the training, you can start for a one-time $7, and at a profit. If you have more, go ahead and get started with more. We have low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket commissions. You can pay 50% commissions regardless of your level, depending on what your level is, okay? So obviously you can get in, and right here, let me show you real quick. Bear with me. See, there's some of the higher levels, okay? The duplication formula is our highest level. $3,000, you get paid $1,500 instantly to whatever payment processor you want if you're in that level. But again, you can get started even if you have no tools whatsoever, nothing. You can get started for $7. And what does Simple Freedom Warriors entail? So I'm going to show you that's not a cookie cutter system. Look at all this you get for $7, right? And what does the other levels do? Help you sell the $7 system and teach you even more, give you more tools in your toolbox, okay? So, I have showed you I personally got 7 setups in 10 days. 2 of my members made their first sales fast. We have people ranking, getting views, and making commissions thanks to our training. What do you get when you join today? Step-by-step YouTube ranking strategy, SEO hacks, and to dominate Google and YouTube. High converting content templates for affiliate marketing success. Personalized mentorship to ensure duplication. And this bonus applies to your team too. Meaning you can create massive duplication effortlessly. Doesn't matter what you want to sell, whether it's just Simple Freedom Warriors or another income stream. Promote what you want. This would build any online business, okay? And look, we have a way for you to get started for $7. You plug and go move at it and profit. Now, if you're a team coach, you get started at a higher level, okay? But if you only have $7 your name, what are you going to do? Get a Frappuccino at Starbucks? Venti Frappuccino? Or you can start your business for $7 and at a profit, go to the higher levels and then start making the bigger commissions, okay? That makes sense? Stop. Okay, I want to show you my YouTube real quick. Okay, we're going to try 2 different search terms. You can see I'm not signed in. This is Affiliate Mentor VIP. And I'm only going to show you the people that are on our team. Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, Mr. Orange Dream. Here's another Postcard Lifestyle. Mr. Orange Dream. Saeem, killing it right now. Another Postcard Lifestyle. Another Mr. Orange Dream. Here's another Postcard Lifestyle. Another Postcard Lifestyle. Mr. Orange Dream. Mr. Orange Dream. Postcard Lifestyle. These are real rankings. As you can see, I'm not signed in, okay? Here's another Business and Marketing with Fanchone. Mr. Orange Dream. Postcard Lifestyle. Mr. Orange Dream. Postcard Lifestyle. Mr. Orange Dream. Okay? And I'm going to try the Core Annual. Here's Postcard Lifestyle. Here's Make Money Online with JJ. That's me. Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. Again, I'm only telling you the ones that are on our team. Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. Michael De La Cruz, another team member. Saeem, another team member. Make Money Online with JJ, Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money Online with JJ. Brian Zittelman, brand new member. Only about 2 weeks. First video ranking. Every video ranking. That's what you do when you join with us. Mr. Orange Dream. Postcard Lifestyle. Make money online with JJ. Postcard lifestyle. Are you starting to see the power of what make money on with JJ? Okay? Stop hesitating. Start for $7. What's the risk? Again, it might cost you can't even get lunch for that, okay? Or make sure that's breakfast, okay? Earn up to $1,500 instant commissions. Out of profit, you take the $7, you plug in the system, you stay consistent with it. You learn the system, you master it, and this will work for whatever online business you want to use it for. Build whatever system and become great. Become the person that other people search for and plug them into the system, and you'll get paid instantly, and it'll build your whatever program you're trying to build, okay? And your people will be trained automatically. Now, you get 50% paid directly to your processor of your choice. Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dodge, Zelle, etc. Instant 50% direct pay commissions. Build a real affiliate business that grows without guesswork. If you're interested, text me now, 775-460-7938. 775-460-7938. Click the first link in the description and join now. So I want to show you one more thing before I bounce out. Okay, these are things we're just now implementing. Okay, it's a YouTube syndication group. So what it means is people are searching your video on YouTube. You search a video and scroll until you find the member's video. This creates organic search, which ranks better. Watch the video all the way through. You can watch 5 videos at a time. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit bell notifications. And then repeat this before you post your video. So when you post your video, you're going to have many people watching it in full, commenting, liking it, subscribing it. Hit the bell notifications and searching for your keywords. Watching it all the way through, giving YouTube exactly what they want. And this is the SFW Reel. Give me a second. I don't know why it's like this, so give me a second. I don't know why that's up there. Give me a half a second. Well, I won't be able to show you the reel. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so let's recap. So why is Simple Freedom Warriors? What is Simple Freedom Warriors? And why is it so powerful? It's a system designed to help you succeed with affiliate marketing. Step-by-step training and built-in duplication so your business grows automatically, or I actually say automagically, okay? I showed you what the system is. I showed you how you can potentially get your first sale in 24 hours or less. Instant commissions, 50%, paid directly to your processor of choice, proven success, real mentorship, real results, and what real mentorship looks like. I found that person, and so can you. He's teaching me how to become that person. And how do you get to Justin Temple? You get to Justin Temple through me. You sign up with me, and I'll lock you into the system, and you can get trained, and everybody else can get trained. And you can learn how to get paid instant commissions. Now, what you need to do, smash that like button. It helps more people find this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another game-changing affiliate strategy. Drop a comment below. Tell me your thoughts, questions, or wins in affiliate marketing. Most important, click the first link in the description and join now. This is your chance. This is your moment. Don't wait. We have the best team. We have the best training. We have the best system. And it will help you build whatever business you want, and help you create massive duplication. This is Simple Freedom Warriors, Justin Temple. This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solomon. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.